Hello everyone. Want a budget-friendly 1 BHK flat rent in Mahadevapura with everything nearby. IT parks, malls, metro, and lot of ambiances. This one's a total steal. Let me show you. Imagine waking up every morning and stepping out to this peaceful balcony. Right from your bedroom, this is the view you get from a beautiful 1 BHK flat for rent in Mahadevapura. This bedroom is spacious, an attached restroom, filled with natural light, and yes, the balcony is directly attached, giving it a cozy and open vibe. It's perfect for your morning coffee, a small garden setup, or just some peaceful time after work. Now coming into the living area, simple, clean, and well ventilated. The kitchen is compact but functional, plenty of cabinet space, and a clean layout. Ideal for daily cooking, and it's easy to maintain too. This flat very close to Bagamane Tech Park, Phoenix Mall, VR Mall, Metro, ITPL, bus stop, etc. Ambiances like water supply, power backup, lift, security available, etc. All of this at a super budget-friendly flat is available for rent. It's just 21,000 per month, with a deposit of 80,000 only. If any interested in this flat, please contact this number or WhatsApp this number. See you again next video. Bye.